Hello and welcome. Here are some questions suitable for fifth grade with three options each and the correct answer. This is chapter number 3. Question number 21. How many sides does an octagon have? Option A 7, option B 8, option C 9. The correct answer is option B 8. Question number 22. What is the value of 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2? Option A 14, option B 12, option C 25. The correct answer is option A 14. Question number 23. How many months are in 5 years? Option A 50 months, option B 60 months, option C 72 months. The correct answer is option B 60 months. Question number 24. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? Option A 90 degree, option B 180 degree, option C 270 degree. The correct answer is option B 180 degree. Question number 25. Which number is not a multiple of 6? Option A 12, option B 15, option C 18. The correct answer is option B 15. Question number 26. What is the value of 5 into 7 plus 3? Option A 40, option A B 50, option C 60. The correct answer is option B 50. Question number 27. Which number is the smallest? Option A 0.73, option B 0.37, option C 0.63. The correct answer is option B 0.37. Question number 28. How many sides does a decagon have? Option A 10, option B 12, option C 14. The correct answer is option A 10. Question number 29. What is the area of square which with each side measuring 6 cm? Option A 24 square centimeter, option B 36 square centimeter, option C 42 square centimeter. The correct answer is option B 36 square centimeter. Question number 30. How many seconds are in 2 minutes and 30 seconds? Option A 110 seconds, option B 130 seconds, option C 150 seconds. The correct answer is option B 150 seconds. If you like our video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.